So let's do one interesting question. Here we have two triangles with us, right? We can see. Let's start with the question. In the given figure, DE perpendicular AB. So DE perpendicular AB, 90 degrees given. Find the values of X and Y. We are supposed to find the values of X and Y. There are no parallel lines over here, right? So everything, whatever we are going to use for the triangles only, theorems of triangles, that's what I mean. So we need to find the value of X and Y. So how shall we approach? Now X and Y is in the same triangle. We can see triangle FDC, X and Y. We need to have at least this value, then only we can proceed, right? Or see how many triangles are you able to see first of all in this figure. Okay, let's see. DFE, that's the one triangle. Another DEB. Are you able to see triangle DEB? Yes, it is. And ACB, ABC. Okay, so try to take the triangle where you can get any one of the value, either X or Y. Let's see that DFC, not possible, right? Because two angles are missing. We cannot find the value of either X or Y. Now talk about the second triangle, DEB. DEB, if you see properly, we have X, we have this perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? 90 degree. So one angle we have it, and another angle also we have it. So that is 40 degree. So we can get the value of X very quickly. Angle sum property. So you can find the value of X. Let's start. So triangle DEB. DEB. Let's write angle sum property. So we can write X plus 90 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So X is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 40 degree, right? So if you subtract 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree. So value of X is 50 degree. We have the value of X. Now how to find the value of Y? We have this as 50 degree. So move to the next missing angle, that is Y. How can we find Y? Okay, for that focus on triangle DFC. Triangle DFC. If you can see properly here, let me just take a part of a figure. D, F and C. This is 110. This is X. We know that is 50 degree. And this is Y. Now, what theorem can we apply over here? Exterior angle theorem, right? 110 can be written as 110 equal to 50 plus Y. We can write it. So let's write exterior angle theorem, right? So we can write 110 degree is equal to 50 degree plus Y. Shift 50 over there. So 110 minus 50 is equal to Y. So 60 degree is equal to Y. So this is the value of Y as well. Simple. We use very less step over here. So what we did over here, we took the first triangle DEB, and out of that two angles were given. So with the help of that angle sum property, we find the value of X. Then we see that we can apply exterior angle theorem for this triangle DFC. You can see over here, I have drawn the figure one more time. So we can write 110 is equal to 50 plus Y. So solve the equation and get the value of Y. So this is how we use the both property, angle sum property and the exterior angle theorem in the same sum. Let's do one more interesting question related to two triangles or one quadrilateral. Let's see. In the given figure, find the value of X. We are supposed to find the value of X. First, I'm going to do this question with the help of triangle, and I'm going to give you idea related how to do with the help of quadrilateral that you can do on your own. So let's start. We have this It doesn't look like triangle. First of all, it looks like quadrilateral, right? You can see that 1 2 3 4. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make as the two triangles. So let's do that over here, right? So let's say this is the point P over here, considered as the straight line. So how can we approach this question? Let's see, I'm drawing here so you can see properly that yes, this is B, C and P over here, right? This angle is 40 degree and this is 35 degree. So can we get this angle? Yes, we can get with the help of what? Exterior angle theorem. So let's write triangle PBC exterior angle theorem. So what we can do, let's name this as y over here. So y is equal to 40 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 75 degree. Done. So 75 degree it is. So we don't have the place over there to write. So let's draw the figure here and write it. And finally here. So this angle is 23. This angle is, we have 75. Can we get this angle? Again, I am going to use exterior angle theorem. The reason behind that, see that here we have this value 75, here we have 23 and here this is missing. So it is triangle A, P and D. So let's write triangle A, P, D. Again, exterior angle theorem. So we can write what angle is there? X, right? So X is equal to, we can write 75 degree plus 23 degree. So 5 and 3, that's 8, 7 and 2, that's 9. So value of X is 98 degree, right? Very simple. Both of the time I use the exterior angle theorem. With the help of this one, you find this angle, and with the help of this two, you find the outer one. Now, how to do with the help of quadrilateral? Concept of quadrilateral. It's very simple. So let's take quadrilateral A, B, C, D, right? And sum of all angles, if we want to write, let's say angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Now we have the three angles. Angle A is 23 plus angle B is 40 degree plus 35 plus angle D is equal to 360. So angle D is equal to what we are going to get, 360 degree minus here 40 and 35, that will be 75. 75, 5 and 3, 8, and here 2 is there, so 7 and 2, 9, right? So 98 here, and if you subtract, you are going to get 262. Now this is the angle D, but we want to find this one. So that will be reflex, right? Reflex, so we need to find the reflex angle D, that is 360 degree minus 262. So basically that will be what? 98 degree, right? Both ways you can do this question. Try to do with the help of triangle only. That makes sense because we can relate to this chapter, right? So this is how we can do with the help of exterior angle theorem, and this is we can do with the help of quadrilateral. Let's discuss the last question of this chapter. Let's discuss two more cases related to parallel lines, then we will move on to the next topic. Let's start with the question. The figure is given in the question itself. We need to find one of the angle. Let's start. In the given figure, AB parallel CD. So this line AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of angle AEC. Okay. So let's mention what's given over here. First of all, AB parallel CD, and we need to find this angle. This is the missing angle. Now how shall we approach over here, right? So I think we can start with the concept of three parallel lines. So let's take one parallel line which starts from this E, and let's write over here that EF. Let EF such that EF is parallel to CD and another EF is parallel to AB. So AB parallel EF, right? This is very important condition. I've stressed so many times, right? So then only we can apply all the properties related to parallel lines. Without that we cannot apply. So how shall we approach? First of all, let's name this angle X and this angle as Y. So our main target is to find the value of angle Y. Can we get the value of angle Y directly by just one step calculation? Remember, it's not possible, right? If you are trying to get it, you won't be able to get the correct answer. So what I will be doing, you can see this is forming C, right? So it means that IASS interior angles on same side. Both of them are interior because they are between these two parallel line, which is EF and CD. So let's write here CD parallel EF, and let's mention interior angles on same side. So if we add them up, what are we going to get? Let's check it out. So we are going to add, that will be X plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Let's shift 100 over that side. So X is equal to 180 degree minus 100. So X is equal to 80 degree, right? So that's the value of X. Now, what can we do next? So we have taken the two parallel lines. Now let's talk about these two parallel lines, EF and AB. See, AB parallel EF, right? So again, we are going to talk about the bigger C over here. This one, see, this and this, right? So this angle, right? Now this angle, we need to take complete angle. Don't get confused. Shall I take only Y? Shall I take only X? That's incorrect. We need to take this complete angle. Now complete angle means addition of these two angles, right? And another is this angle. So Y plus X plus 60. That's what we are supposed to write. Y plus X plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Now we have the value of X over here, so substitute, right? So Y plus here 80 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So if you add these two numbers, you are going to get 140 is equal to 180. Let's shift over that side. So Y is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. So Y is equal to 40 degree is the answer. Now that's we wanted to find that angle AEC is equal to Y is equal to what we have, 40 degree is the answer. So this is our final answer, right? These are like 2-step, 3-step sums. First of all, you need to find the value of some another angle. Then with the help of that only you can find the angle you want to find, right? So it's not possible to have the answer within a one step only. So you need to be patient and think wisely over here. So these two parallel lines, we talk about it, and we have taken the IASS interior angle on same side, and same we did for the line AB parallel EF. I think I forgot to mention, so you can mention over here IASS. Always mention the property that you are applying to solve the sum. Very important. It contains marks, right? So Then we apply the IASS for AB and EF. So this is what we got it. If you miss out any of this angle of Y or X, you are not going to get the correct answer, right? So be very careful, practice all the sums that we have discussed. It's very important, right? So this is how we solve the sum. Let's discuss one more last question, then we will move to the next topic. Let's do one last question related to parallel lines, then we'll move on to the next topic. So we have the figure in the question itself. We need to find one angle. Let's read the question one time though. In the given figure, if PQ parallel ST, so it's given over here that this line PQ is parallel to ST. Let's mention here that PQ parallel ST. We need to find QRS, means this angle is missing. Good. So this angle we need to find. Let's say X over here. This angle we need to find. Okay, so let's think how can we do that, because we don't have any common transversal. The question is really good, right? We don't have the common transversal so far. So let's take one parallel line, right? Case of 3 parallel lines. Then we will try to get the things. Let's see. Yes, this is kind of parallel lines, right? Yes, kind of parallel line only. Okay, done we are. Okay, so let's give it a name. R we have already. Let's give it a name M, and here N. So let's mention it. Let Mn such that Mn is parallel to St. So let's try St parallel to Mn, and another condition will be what? PQ parallel Mn. So let's write PQ parallel Mn. Very, very, very important condition. If you write this, then only we can use the properties of the angles related to parallel lines. So how shall we approach? Now when we draw this line, you come to know we have 2 more angles over here. Let's name it as Y and here as Z. That will be helpful for the calculation. So now are you getting the idea that how can we do that? See, forget if you don't get the value of X first, right? Can you get the value of Y and Z? Forget X for a while, right? Whenever you approach the question, don't think that how to get the answer directly. This is the most wrong approach you can have it, because we have the knowledge how to solve it, but maybe we cannot get the answer directly, right? Try to get other angles if possible, not the one. If you try to get the Y and Z, automatically you will have an idea that how to get the X as well, right? So if you think that you are not able to solve this question, try to find the angles that you can find very easily. Like in this case, okay, if I take line PQ and Mn parallel, I can get the value of Y, because IASS, interior angle on same side. Both of the angles are between 2 parallel lines, add them up and 180 degree. Same we can do over here. 130 plus Z is equal to 180, and you can get the value of Y and Z. At least do that one, right? Okay, so let's start with that part what I said. So first of all, let's write PQ parallel Mn. So PQ parallel Mn. So what can we write? IASS, interior angles on same side, right? What we can write? 110 degree plus Y, 110 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. So what will be the value of Y? That's very simple. So Y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. What are we going to get? That is 70. So now which 2 lines are we going to take parallel? We are going to take ST parallel Mn. Done. Now here again IASS, interior angles on same side, right? Now if I add them up, I'm going to get what? 180 degree. So let's write 180 degree plus Z is equal to 180. So Z is equal to 180 degree minus 130. Why? Because if you shift over there, it will be negative. So 50 degree is the value of Z. So we have this angle as well. Now think how to find the value of x. At least now we can think of how to find the value of x, right? See, MN is a straight line, and straight line has what kind of angle? Straight angle, that is 180 degree. So if I add x plus y plus z, what I'm going to get? 180 degree, because it is this straight line, see, that will be making 180 degree. Out of 3, you have 2 angles, right? So we can obviously find the third angle. Very simple to do, right? So at least find the values that you can find very easily. Okay, let's move on to the last step, that MN is straight line. MN is straight line. So what can we write? X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Value of x is missing, value of y is 70 degree, value of z is 50 degree, here 180 degree. So x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Let's shift over that side. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degrees. So x is equal to what? 60 degree. So angle QRS is equal to 60 degree. Let's write here angle QRS is equal to 60 degree, right? So question was simple, and we did actually 3 steps over here, right? Not only one. Get the value of y with IASS, get the value of z with IASS, and MN is a straight line, so addition of all 3 angles x, y, z will be 180 degree. So this was the topic related to parallel lines. Now we are going to discuss angles with triangle and the combination of parallel lines.